Swagbucks search tracking issues usually happen because the search activity is not being recorded correctly, the account session is not connected properly, or the browser settings are blocking tracking. By the end, you'll know the common reasons Swagbucks searches do not track and the steps to check before contacting support. Start by confirming that you are signed into the correct Swagbucks account. Search activity can only connect to the account that is currently logged in. Next, check your internet connection and reload the Swagbucks page or app.i. A connection problem can prevent actions from being recorded properly. If you are using a browser, check whether cookies or tracking settings are blocking Swagbucks features. Some privacy extensions, ad blockers, or strict browser settings can interfere with website tracking. Try disabling browser extensions temporarily, and test the search bar again. If the search starts tracking after disabling an extension, that extension may be causing the issue. Also check that you are using the official Swagbucks website or app. Using unofficial links or outdated pages can create problems with account tracking. If the search bar works, but rewards or activity history do not update, check your Swagbucks account activity section. This helps confirm whether the search was recorded or if the issue is only with the display. Another useful step is clearing your browser cache or app data. Old stored files can sometimes cause loading or tracking problems. On a phone, update the Swagbucks app through your device's app store. App updates can fix bugs that affect features like loading, tracking, or account connection. If none of these steps work, contact Swagbucks support with details about the problem. Include your account information, the device you are using, and what happens when you try to search. Avoid repeating searches many times if they are not tracking. Repeated attempts may not fix the issue if the problem is caused by account settings or technical errors. To summarize, check your account login, review browser or app settings, and update or troubleshoot your device before contacting support. Your next step is to test one search after checking these settings and confirm whether it appears in your account activity. If this guide helped you fix Swagbucks tracking issues, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.